All right, so example 9. Now we're looking at sum of a series in terms of n. I think we attempted to do something like that in 8. So let's do more of it in 9. All right, first of all, this series from r is equal to 1 to n of r plus 4 is equal to the sum from r is equal to 1 to n of r plus the sum from r is equal to 1 to n of 4. So this would be n into n plus 1 over 2 plus 4n. Put this over 1. The LCM is 2. We get what? N into n plus 1 plus 8n. I guess maybe I could factor out the n. So if I do that, I'm going to get what? N over 2 into n plus 1 plus 8. So it looks like my answer is going to be n over 2 into n plus 9. N over 2 into n plus 9. Is this what you got? You multiply it out, so you get n squared plus 9n over 2. Okay. Let's have a go at 10. Example 10 says find the sum of n. Well, first of all, n from r is equal to 1 to n of r into r minus 1. This is equal to, from when r is equal to 1 to n of r squared minus from r is equal to 1 to n of r. So this would be equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 all over 6 minus n into n plus 1 all over 2. If I multiply the top and bottom over here by 3 and factor out n into n plus 1, I'm going to get n times n plus 1, factor that out inside the bracket over 6 here. We're going to have what? 2n plus 1 minus 3. It looks like something we did already. This becomes n into n plus 1 over 6 into 2n minus 2. Factor out the 2, we're going to get 2n into n plus 1 into n minus 1 over 6. Or we could simply just say 1/3 n. If I want, I could say into what? N squared minus 1. 1/3 n into n squared minus 1. So next we're going to look at example 11. We're asked to simplify. And here's what we can say. We can say that this is the same as saying from r is equal to 1 to n of r cubed minus from when r is equal to 1 to n of r squared. So this would be n into n plus 1, 2n. No, that's not true. This would be n squared into n plus 1 squared all over 4 minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. LCM is what? 12. So this is 3n squared into n plus 1 squared, 2n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1. Common in the numerator is n into n plus 1. So if we factor out n into n plus 1, we're going to end up with 3 into n plus 1 minus 2 into what? 2n plus 1. And this is over 12. This is n into n plus 1 over 12 into 3n plus 3. Oh, yeah, here, this should be 3n. So this is 3n here. We have 3n squared plus 3n minus 4n minus 2. Then we have n into n plus 1 over 12 into 3n squared minus n minus 2. Can this be factorized? I think so. Question is, do we need to factorize it? Maybe not, I don't know. n, and this should be over 12 plus 1 over 12. 3n, n, 1, 2, minus, plus. So our answer is 1/2 n into n minus 1 times n plus 1 times 3n plus 2. This should be over 12 and 12 here. So we're good?